What do you do when you have a reality TV show and then you don't? Have that back. Good morning. I'm going to take a moment to let you guys know that we've hit 339 subscribers, which means we're a third of the way to actually getting paid something for this. So we're happy about that, and we appreciate that a lot. Along those lines, we want to thank Deborah Klein, who's contributed to the Hay Fund again. And we really appreciate it, Deborah. Every little bit helps, and it goes a long way to keep the animals healthy and happy. So donate to the Hay Fund if you feel like it. Like and share and subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends if you like it. If you have ideas of what we should do next, put them in the comments below. That doesn't mean that I'll do it, but I'll read it, okay? So again, like, share, and subscribe, and we appreciate it. Have a great week. Bye-bye. They're no fools. This is a little gate that Nathan made. I mean, this didn't have a gate at all. It really doesn't hold much weight back, but it's lasted like 3 years, so. Old timer. Grab this, and then I'm going to kind of rake out the back. Oh, this is slick. A wizard should always have his staff nearby, not under the hay. Oh, don't like all this. This is still real green too. It hasn't really, it's been cold, frozen back here. Hasn't turned brown yet. Look, it's a wizette staff.
Nope.
No, we're not wizards, that's for sure. drop the other rake on the other side? Can you hand it to me and I'll take that? Thank you. Those ears. Why'd you didn't bring that dog? Explore your world. This is my world. Yeah, there's a lot of this. This is all pretty green. They'll eat on this for the next hour. And that's good. Late January through February is real bitter up here. That's when it gets down to 0 and below. They're in good health. All right. Want to get all this stuff stowed?
I'm gonna go around front so I don't upset anybody.
She does like that low gear. Each and every day, and it's a new experience, but it's our purpose. And if we can do something in accordance with our purpose every day, it helps propel us forward. And you know, we all have purpose, but we think mostly in terms of generalization. You know, I aim in this direction, and this is where I want to be in 10 years, or whatever. Your daily moment-to-moment purpose is what drives your real behavior. What do you want right now is what's gonna. Proverb says that a fool's empty belly presses him on. And that's pretty logical. You know, everybody will work for food. So find your purpose, and then every day commit yourself to one act toward that purpose. It'll be less complicated. It'll be less hard. And you'll have more courage because you know you're doing the right.